Letter of explanation is one document which I have used during my PR process, during the citizenship process, during applying for visitor visa process, during the grandparent and parent PR program process. And there is no set format which I have used. I have tried to put logic. I have tried to give where if the documents are missing, I have tried to give alternate document and detailed explanation why the document has been not submitted. And if the document has been submitted and I feel that a little more explanation helps, I have done that. That way, when someone receives and someone is going through, they have adequate information to take right decision. So what I'm sharing is my personal experience, and you must do your due diligence when you are doing anything like this. And if you are in doubt, always seek a professional guidance. Don't rely on someone like me who is on internet coming and sharing personal experience. And in today's video, I will show you how I covered the father's date of birth missing in additional family information. So I give a heading like letter of explanation. This makes it clear what this document is, then the date when it is made, and if it is primary applicant's name. If it is secondary applicant, write secondary applicant and then name. And if UCI number is there, I always make sure to make an entry. If UCI number is not there and it is getting uploaded with the application, I just leave it blank. And then to whom it may concern. This is the heading part of it. Here in the explanation, you can see this is the fourth instance I have used letter of explanation, and this has a subject explanation for father's date of birth missing in additional family information form number and schedule A background declaration form number. So in the application section, the date of birth range starts 1900 onwards. So if the date of birth is equal to or greater than 01011900, then it accepts the date of birth. For someone who is born before that, because in the section here, additional family information, they ask about parents. And in some cases, if parents were born before 1900, which was the case, here the explanation is I'm writing to address a specific detail in my application regarding my father's date of birth due to system limitation which did not allow entry of years before 1900. My father's birth year 1892. So the birth year is 1892, but the system entry only starts after 1900. So what was done is in the date of birth field, it was written as 01011900. That way the application goes through, and then I could not provide it in the online form. This date of birth was not allowed. I include this information here for completeness and accuracy of my application record. So this way I'm trying to cover and give an explanation in case they come back that the date of birth is not matching. This is how I have done it, and I'll keep sharing other details as and when it happens. So all the information I'll keep posting. Thanks for watching.